Page 73, Part 2, please use headphones or subtitles because math is great. Math is great. Yay! If the bakery started with an extra $2.50 from the profits in December, describe how to use the information in the table to figure out the profit or loss of money at the bakery by the end of August. Then calculate the profit or loss. Okay, so include the $2.50 from December and add all the income, then add all the expenses, then subtract the income from the expenses from the income. So we're going to do that. So let's include that $2.50 and let's make this, we'll make that a white space because we need to put the $2.50 in there from December. Okay, now add all of the income. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Put an 8 here. Carry the 1 up here. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 8 is 14. Plus 6 is 20. 21, 27, 35, 3 here, 3 plus 2 is 5, 7, 8, 14, 18, 21, and a 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. So this is total income. Total income is right there. Okay, and now let's add the expenses. Okay, I'm going to make some white space here so I can put in some numbers that I need to. Okay. 0 plus 4 is 4, 7, 9, 10, 12, 17, 18, 1, 6, 10, 16, 24, 29, 11, 15, 21, 26, 30, 5, 8, 14, 15, 24, 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Okay, so now we need to subtract. 1, 1, 1, 5, 8, minus 1, 0, 2, 0, 9.89. Put in a decimal and some zeros here. Bar from that 8 and get 7. Put a 10 here, and a 9 there, and a 10 there. Get 1, 1. Bring down the decimal. Bar from that 5, put a 4, put a 17 there, 8, 4. Bar from that 1, put a 0, make that an 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. And 0 there and 0 there. 948.11 is our total profit.